So for cold season, for flu season, for people who want to avoid respiratory viral infection throughout the winter season, I would recommend you start with eating healthy, because if you can increase the variety of your gut microbiome, if you can fix your gastrointestinal tract, your immune system will get a boost and can protect you throughout this winter season. How do we do that? Yes, there is a lot of probiotics out there, but unfortunately, most of them, by the time they're on the shelf, they're not viable. I would go with a simple homemade yogurt. The one that I make, and I can make a video for that, is called Bravo yogurt. It has 300 species of bacteria in it. And it's not only bacteria, there are other microbes that they all live together in this symbiotic relationship. And it's very important that you have a lot of varieties for the health of the gut microbiome. That's a simple one that you can make at home. It doesn't cost you a lot, because after you make your first batch, you could use the culture from the first batch and continue making more of the same for at least a few runs. And then you have to again start from the powder form. And I'll show you in another video how to do that. That's one thing. Do a lot of bone broth throughout cold season. Bone broth is very healing for the body. It's going to help the gastrointestinal tract to heal, and the brush borders of the intestine to heal. So it's a wonderful, wonderful thing you could do. Avoid any processed sugar. And if you're doing honey, I would do very little. Too much sugar feeds the virus, feeds the bacteria, feeds the microbes, and you don't want too much sugar in your diet anyways. To make grains at home, you have to prepare it properly. And the way you prepare it, you want to soak it overnight. And if you have your homemade yogurt made, you want to add a little bit of that to help the bacteria start digesting the proteins inside this. And also all the anti-nutrients will be washed off when you leave it overnight there. And I can show you another video how to make that also. All right, that's for it for now.